Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am with me, aka Mimi. Today I am coming to you guys with this look. I decided to do the Jackie Raina palette challenge. So this is what I came up with. The challenge was that you had to pick 3 colors. Well, you had to go to Alyssa's Ashley video and then pause the video on whatever eyeshadow it stopped on. So I got the color Supreme, Pinker, and Dollars. So I decided to work with those. I absolutely love how the look came out. I suggest that you guys also go ahead and do the challenge just for fun. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Hey to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys for all the love that you've been showing. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. So the color that it stopped on was Pinker. I'm gonna be taking that color and applying it directly on my crease, and I'm just going to be going back and forth, blending this color out, making it nice and smooth, and then I'll apply the second color that you guys will see in a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking the color Supreme, and I'm just applying that right above where I added the Pinker, and I'm going to be using this color to also blend out any harsh lines from the Pinker. And yes, it's gonna give it a nice, gradient effect. If you guys haven't tried this challenge out, I think you should. It's something fun to do. I really never did a challenge on my channel before, so yeah. So I'm just going back in with the color Pinker and just making it a little bit more, just if in case it kind of wiped away when I added Supreme, I'm just going back and retouching that color. So now I'm going in with my concealer and I'm cutting my crease. I was debating if I wanted to cut the crease or not, so I just went in and cut it anyway. And then we're gonna go in with that color Dollars, which is a nice light green shade. So now I'm going in with Dollars, and I have this brush from Morphe. I can't remember what number it is, but I started off using that little tip so that way I could get in the inner corners, So I'm just taking that color and putting it on my lid, and then yeah, these are the 3 colors that the video stopped on, or that I pressed stopped on, and that's the colors that I got. And so yes, I'm gonna be applying the same colors, Pinker and Supreme, on my bottom lash, and then I also added some eyeliner, and then you could apply any lashes you want, So yes, right here I'm just taking, I believe is Pinker, and I'm applying that right on my outer corner just to blend out that line from the cut crease, just give it a nice gradient effect. And what else am I gonna do? We shall see. So I'm applying that on. Look at my baby, guys. He was crying, so I had to pick him up. But I'm applying this blush from Juvia's Place. Since I'm already in that pinkish vibe, I just wanted to, incorporate that in there. But I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. You guys know I love this stuff. And I'm using that dark color as a liner. And then I'm going to be using another color from that same palette, just so it could just match the whole, you know, eye look and the whole vibe of the look. And I really like how this look came out. I was first I was gonna leave it like this, like just leave the lips matte, but I've been into my lip gloss lately, so I just had to add some gloss. And plus my lips were so dry. Yes, it's summertime and my lips been so dry. But I just love how this look came about. At first I didn't know how I was gonna use these colors together, but it was fun. Here I go adding my lip gloss. I got this lip gloss from the beauty supply store. It was like $1 or $2. And I'm just applying that, giving it a nice shiny glossy feel. And now I'm adding my Profusion highlighter or highlight. And I got this highlight from Target for $4. Yes, $4 guys. And I absolutely love it. I use it like every day. And this is how it looked. So this is how the look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. I hope you guys try it out as well. Let me know what you guys like about this look. Have you tried this? Do you have the palette? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.